Namaste. We built a marble maze with the help of straws and corrugated sheets. Instead of a marble, can we navigate a robot through our maze? With this activity, we can introduce a programming context for pre-coders. Programmers sequence instructions, that is, putting them in the right order. Sequences are often placed into loops, doing the same sequence of instructions over and over. We will build another maze on this card sheet with squares marked on it. This is our start position and this is the finish point. In this case, we will have to give detailed instructions to our robot. Move forward, turn left, turn right, and so on. Also, we have to instruct the robot how much movement there should be. That is, how many steps a robot should move. Also, turning right by specifying an angle like 90 degrees, 120 degrees, etc. Each square can be considered as one step. First instruction for the robot will be to move 3 steps forward. We can also write the instruction by placing 3 arrows like this. Second instruction will be to turn right. Turn right by 90 degrees. Same can be drawn with this symbol. Third instruction will be to move 2 steps forward. Fourth instruction will be to turn left, and so on. With these instructions, we should be able to navigate the robot from start to finish. You are given a sheet of paper with a grid marked on it. All you have to do is design your own maze with a start and end point. Imagine that you have to navigate the robot just like we did earlier. Write instructions along with the symbols in the table provided below. Now let us look at the variations. Instead of start and finish points, we can add destinations like home, school, temple, shop, and so on. Navigation of the robot can be guided by a condition like start from home, visit temple, make 3 rounds around a temple, and then reach your school. Or start from home, decide if you want to go to the temple or to the school, and accordingly proceed. Like this, you can create your own story and ask a friend to follow the instructions you wrote for the navigation. Thank you.